Oiling the Singer 301A Part 3. In this video, I will be oiling the faceplate area as well as the bed of the machine, and then also do the bobbin winder. Here is the first oiling point I start with. Back here a little bit in the shade is the second one. The third one is up front but a little lower. And the fourth one is a little less clear in this shot, but it is right down there. So that's the first four. The next four are number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Those are the next 4 oil points. So altogether, that is a total of 8 oil point front area. This is a nice close-up showing the first 3 oil points faceplate. And that lines up by using the hand wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to move to the bed next. This is not going to be a difficult job. The one place on the bed that we want to lubricate with oil is right there. There we go. Second one is there. Third one is there. Now we're going to move up. Fourth one is here. And then the bobbin winder. But for now I will put it back in place, because I don't want to lose track of it. I don't want anything else to remain unprotected. That pretty much concludes the adventure of part 3. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope there was something useful to you here. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for spending your time here. And actually looking at the machine, my next video is going to be on threading the 301A. Thank you again, friends. Please come again. Adios, amigos. This image shows the oiling locations on top of the machine and on the bed, and it also shows the bottom image. On the bottom left image shows where to grease or oil at the top of the motor stem in the hand wheel portion, but we won't be doing that. So if you want to get a shot of that picture, and then I'll give you another one here in a second. Here it is. There's the underside of the 301, the oil points. If you want to get a photo or a shot of that, here's your opportunity right now. But that's what we'll be working on. And then I do oiling locations on top of the machine and on the bed. And it also shows, here's the setup for today. Here's the Z30 with the Rode mic on it, on the Manfrotto stand. There's my work lamp spotlight. There's my one cheapo lamp, my other cheapo lamp, and there's today's victim, the Singer 301A, and more oiling and a little bit of greasing to finish up the oiling 301A series of videos.